We all woke up on Monday morning with very tragic news, and that one that the Pope Francis had actually gone to be with the Lord. But just a day before that, he gave his last address to the believers, and one of the things that he said was, "Happy Easter." It's interesting that on the Easter Monday in the morning, he goes to be with the Lord. I know that all over the world, the Catholic believers are grieving for the loss of a great man, a servant who gave his life to serve the people. Just a little bit about Pope Francis. He's among the few popes that said no salary. He is more of a servant.
The Pope was a figure that represented what humanity is about. I love him because he spoke so much and he identified with everyone from every nationality, every religion, and he was also very strong about people and the environment. He addressed both the environmental issues. He identified with different human beings. He wasn't judgmental in his ways, and he was someone who was all-embracing in terms of religion and identified with whatever gender, social circumstances of the people. He was very simple. He was a simple man. He was down to earth. For that, I really like his person, and I'm here to just give him my farewell and to pray for him, to pray God to take his soul.
What a humble servant. There are so many things. Now, I am not a Catholic, but I have learned a lot of qualities of leadership from Pope Francis. How he humbles himself, how he didn't want to be recognized in a certain way that other popes have also previously been recognized on, how he even decided that I should be buried on a 1-layer coffin, not a 3-layer coffin. That took a lot, huge of money. And the lot of, even on his death, he died a simple leader. What a servant Pope Francis has been. And so I have been following through the news, and as he's going to be buried today, on Thursday, and we just want to pray that served of course on the other side, but here in Uganda it will be Friday. But I just want to say that may our condolences goes to all of the Catholic family. May God comfort your hearts, and let's pray for the next leader, because leaders come from God. Let's pray for the next leader that will come and lead the Catholic family. From us, from Jenny, Daun, and the crew and the team, we want to say, may God comfort your hearts, and may you grieve knowing that the Lord gave us Pope Francis and the Lord has taken him. Now, God decides where he will put Pope Francis. And I'll leave that to God, because he is a searcher of all our hearts. But I will tell you, I have learned a lot of qualities of servanthood and leadership from him. Thank you so much, our friends from the Catholic family all over the world. May God keep your heart strong and comforted. God bless you.